A simple question. Do you really enjoy doom scrolling? Well, the answer is yes. This video is doesn't made for you. And the answer is no. Then this video is made for you. In this video we will talk about why people doom scroll and what are the ways we can get rid of it. So, starting with it. Doom scrolling is not just an activity that people do so that they can get their time pass. It has a deeper meaning to that. And more primarily, we try to beat it. I have also tried it. I have tried many times to beat doom scrolling. And well, it is not meant to believe that we can beat it. It's very difficult to beat that app because it is made by so much great scientists and so much psychology behind it to make that slot. It is kind of a slot machine. The more you play, the more you feel that you are closer to winning, but ultimately you are losing at everything. Ultimately you will lose everything you gain from it. And back to the doom scrolling question. Why people do doom scrolling? Well, whatever I have observed, why I did is to fill the gap, not to work, to leisure myself, to relax. We thought relaxation is scrolling. Nowadays, yeah, we are thinking that way. When we are relaxing, why not doom scrolling? That fills our brain filled with dopamine and it releases all the stress from right now, whatever the stress we are doing, it releases from everything. But it is good or not? I don't know. But one thing I know, doom scrolling is not good. It is a void in our life that is filled by that doom scrolling. We don't think. And recently I'm watching a video on YouTube and it says that why people are not thinking that much. Well, maybe at the time of thinking, they are scrolling. They are checking other people's out. They don't have their own imagination, their own thoughts. They don't even process their own thoughts. Then how we are supposed to make things better? It definitely makes things worse. And that's why I find it very odd to doom scroll. And now I given a gap that I can't beat algorithm. I tried multiple times. Bear with me. I have tried multiple times to beat the algorithm, but not a single time I'm able to beat it. So what I have done? Ultimately stopped it. But not the way everybody does. Deleting Instagram, deleting YouTube, then again reinstalling when they want to doom scroll. And through the high internet, it easily installed and they start watching it. Well, I don't think so this is the great way to do it. I have multiple ways. I have tried it and I have found one great way to do it. So starting with a great question. You have to write this question and answer it correctly to able to detect why even you doom scroll. And the question is, why in my free time, not just in my free time, in my important times I doom scroll? Am I avoiding something? Question mark. You just have to reply this question. It is a very fairly simple question. And try not to doom scroll and after that reply this question. Try to sit properly and after it reply the question. Second is very important. I have tried it, deleting the Instagram whole. For peoples who are using Instagram as their income, it may be difficult for them. But for the people who are using Instagram for just scrolling and just watching reels, well, I think you should delete it. And delete it in the sense ki you will not download it. And in the third, I will explain why this matter. Why people again download it, because they get the time and at the free time, they think, why not just download it and see what's happening? And they download it. Algorithm grabs them and they start again scrolling the reels. They are back to the normal from where they have shifted it. This is very critical that you should remember that. It is not like that ki you can easily delete it and install it. But the second is very important ki you have to first delete it. And the third, which is very important, you should know to replace that void of time, that empty time with something. Otherwise, you will back to that reel watching or doom scrolling. And if you ask me what I have replaced with, you can replace with anything. Making paints, watching series. I would say it's better than not scrolling because it has a greater span of time. Third, reading books, playing something which you enjoy. Matlab, you have to remove that spam of time with something else activity. Otherwise, your brain try to get doom scrolling phase and you will start doom scrolling and you will not unable to understand when your time gone and you started scrolling. I think these are the best 3 tricks you can apply and help yourself by not doing doom scrolling. My personal preference is I have shifted everything from my mobile to my iPad. So when I have to see what's going on, like I have to make videos and upload it, I'll do that in my iPad. That helps me to clutter free my mobile. And one thing I want to say to you, even when I'm not doom scrolling, I'm watching my phone. It is very addictive. This phone is very addictive. I can't beat it. The only thing I can do it is avoid as much as I can or not kept in my surrounding. This is the only way I have encountered that I can beat this tremendous intelligent device that ever been created, and that is consuming ourself. Well, if you successfully do that, comment me down all the problem you have faced doing that activities and let me know, did you able to succeed in doom scrolling or not. Thank you guys, and I know and I believe that you can do it. Bye.